is Julius Santiago. I'm a structural engineer by profession, and in this video, I'm gonna introduce you to a software called Etabs. This software is used mostly by the structural engineers to model buildings and any other structures. So let me introduce to you all the basic menus featured in this program. So let's begin. So when you open Etabs, you will see an interface like this. And when you click File here, New Model, you will be pop out with this menu. So normally I use this system of units. You can also use units from your previous model using this icon here, use settings from a model file. But for this tutorial, we'll just use this system of units, metrics, and as a default, we'll just accept the steel design section as the AISC 14, steel design code AISC 360-16, and concrete design code ACI 31840. So let's click OK. After that, you will be guided in this menu. So for the purpose of this video, we'll use a 4-story grid system. I use this grid system. You can also use blank, steel deck default, staggered truss, flat slab system, flat slab with perimeter beams, waffle slab, and two-way or rib slab. But for now, we'll use this grid only. So for number stories, we'll be using 4 stories with a typical story height of 3 meters and the bottom story height of 3 meters also. So the grid spacing will be using 6 meters, and we'll use 4 grids in the X direction and 4 grids in the Y direction. So click OK. When you click OK, you will be guided in this tutorial. So here we have the File Explorer here, Window 1 here, and Window 2 here. And on top are the menu bars for this software Etabs. We have the File menu, the Edit menu, the View menu, the Define menu, Draw, Select, Assign, Analyze, Display, Design, Options, Tools, and Help. So let's see one by one how this menu bars is the functions of these menu bars. So Heal File, I previously used this new model, so when you click this, you will be introduced with this one. So now we'll draw a beam frame, beam column, so that all the menus will be activated. Because if you don't draw something, some of the menus is not yet activated. So here, drawing beams, click here, this icon, draw beam, column, brace on plan. So I'll use this, and then here and here. And by the way, the property of this beam, let's assume it's concrete first. Concrete. Now this is just an introduction of the basic menus. Later on, I will teach you how to define all the menus to correspond with your basic design criteria. But for now, let's just start with the basic introduction of the program. So I draw a beam here, and let's draw some columns also. So here, quick draw columns on plan. So columns, and use concrete column as the property for now. Click here and click here. Now let's and by the way, on this we are on the 4th floor level, so I'll just copy here to be on the 1st floor. So doing that, just select all of these and then edit, replicate. Here we'll replicate on the story one. We'll delete this one for now. Delete. So now we are on the 1st story. So and our support is pin support, as you can see here. So now we'll use the editing menu to when you select this, for example, you want to divide this beam, right? I'll replicate first and show you the editing menu bar here. So edit again and replicate. Let's assume on the y direction it's 3 meters. I want to delete this. Okay. So if you want to divide this, just click it, then edit, divide frames, this option. You don't want to divide it into two, click OK, and then now they become two. How do we know? 1, 2. If you want also to show that, if you want to confirm that they are already two beams, I uncheck this. So now we have two beams, 1 and 2. So here on the define menu, you can use this menu to define your properties, whether it's concrete, steel, or any other property. This is where you can define property section. Then this draw menu, you can use it to draw your beams, columns. Here also we can use the select object, the reshape, and all other drawing tools. Now this selection view, you can use to select a pointer window, and deselect also, you can use this menu. And here on the assign menu, you can assign the properties. For example, you want to change this beam property, just select it, click assign. Since this is a frame, you use frame, section property, and you can select from your defined property section. Say, for example, you want to change it to 8 by 31 steel section, you just click here and then click OK. Now it changes to W8 by 31 from previous concrete beam of concrete beam section. Moving forward, after you assign, this is where you analyze your model. You can use these options to set your analysis option. For example, you want to analyze this XZ plane. X is on this, Y is on this, and Z is your vertical. For example, you want to use this. Say, for example, we want to analyze now our structure. Let's delete this. And analyze, run analysis. Oh, I need to save this, say, simple frame. Click save. You can see here is still creating the analysis section. Once it's done, this will be confirmed. Now it's ready, meaning the analysis is done. Once the analysis is done, you can design the sections. So now it says here analysis done. Click done here. So once done, you can design the sections. But in this video, we don't design yet because we're just introducing you the basic capabilities of this program. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe on this channel, as I'll be sharing you a lot of tips, techniques, tricks, and strategies using this program. So stay tuned, and once again, click the subscribe button, and thank you, and God bless you.